What is the Side Pusher Logy? The Side Pusher is an automatic pallet exchanging system specifically designed to handle high production flows. It's the fastest pallet exchanging solution in the market, capable of handling up to 120 pallets per hour at full capacity. Why did we design it? We developed the Side Pusher to meet the rising demand for increased efficiency and logistics operations, primarily in the food, beverage, and 3PL sectors where many companies need to change a high number of pallets per hour. It integrates into existing production lines as well as near high bay warehouses and is always customized for the specific customer's application. How does a pallet change cycle work with the Side Pusher? The pallet change cycle is fully automatic. The load traveling on roller conveyors is smoothly transferred onto a chain conveyor. The chain conveyor's role is to feed the product into the pallet exchanger for processing. Once the load enters the pallet exchanger, a lifting conveyor raises it a few inches above its original level to ensure that the load sits slightly higher than the destination side of the machine. As the load is being lifted, measurement photocells scan its length, width, and position. Based on these readings, the system can automatically center the load on the new pallet or replicate its existing position if it's already properly aligned. On the opposite end of the system, a pallet dispenser releases a destination pallet and feeds it to the destination side of the exchanger. Once the destination pallet is in place and the load has been lifted and scanned, the Side Pusher gently pushes the load onto a metal transfer blade positioned directly above the destination pallet. After the load is fully on the blade retracts, allowing the load to settle smoothly onto the destination pallet. This completes the pallet exchanger cycle, and since the load is now resting securely on the destination pallet, it is lowered and transferred back onto the roller conveyors on the exit side of the system. From here, the load can then continue downstream for further handling or shipment. How many changes can the Side Pusher do an hour? The Side Pusher is capable of exchanging up to 120 pallets per hour at full capacity, making it by far the fastest pallet exchanging solution on the market. What types of products can the Side Pusher handle? The Side Pusher is one of the most versatile solutions in our range of production, as it can handle just about any product in the world that cannot be momentarily tilted or inverted. What are the advanced features of the Side Pusher? What makes the solution one of the most advanced in our range of production is its unique combinations of innovative features. One of the most impressive aspects of the solution is, of course, its speed. It's capable of performing up to 120 pallet exchanges per hour, but this greatly depends on the configuration and the operation that needs to be performed. Another unique feature of this system is the method in which the product is handled. Instead of being pushed directly onto the destination pallet, the load is first pushed onto a metal blade that is positioned directly above the destination pallet. This ensures that the transfer of the product is smooth, efficient, and most importantly, safe. This system is also capable of precisely centering the product onto the destination pallet. Lastly, the Side Pusher can also transfer palletless loads onto pallets while maintaining the slip sheet under the load. In this configuration, the Side Pusher is called the push and pull. What are my final thoughts on the Side Pusher? This is not only the fastest pallet exchanger system on the market, but also one of the safest and most secure solutions for load handling. It's the ideal choice for companies aiming to enhance pallet exchange management in their warehouse, and this system represents one of the most remarkable innovations in Topindustriesinc production range.